Hello, Darin Martineau here from Master Magic Shop. In this video, I'm going to talk about my new product, which is called A Tribute to Lou Lancaster. Lou Lancaster was one of my mentors. I spent a lot of time with him. I met him at the Gary Darwin's Las Vegas Wednesday Nights Magic Club and spent knew him for many years. And he taught me a lot of magic. So this is a combination of the classics, many of Lou Lancaster's original effects, not all of them, but many. I teach 71 videos. You're going to get 10 ebooks. You're also going to get a lot of classic magic in here. Okay, I teach some of the highlights. I teach the 51-cent miracle. I teach his double sign card to wallet. I teach his sponge ball routine, which I've tweaked a little bit. I call it the Harry Houdini family sponge ball routine. That's created by Lou Lancaster and myself. Um, I'm going to teach a lot of his coin magic. I'm going to teach a lot of his card magic. I'm going to teach my Ladybug Spongeball routine, which is a 5-phase routine. I teach the cups and balls Vernon. It's my new finale with that. I teach a lot of different cups and balls ideas. I teach a special move called the Sunrise Coin Production, created by Lou Lancaster. It was taught to me. All this magic was taught to me by Lou Lancaster. So I'll talk a little bit about Lou Lancaster in this video, of course, as well. I'm going to talk about the product. Um, I teach a basic poker stacking routine by Lou Lancaster. I teach my variation of Lou Lancaster's flash coins, which I call a new visible sign coin through the table. And it's a signed coin which penetrates visibly right through the table. I teach a card to hat and deck to hat transposition, which I've created. So most of this magic is a combination of magic taught to me by Lou Lancaster and also magic that he inspired me to create. So it's some of my own magic, but it's a combination of many things. So I'm also going to teach a comedy card to mouth, a comedy card on forehead, a comedy torn restored card, a comedy sucker torn restored napkin, a torn restored paper balls with mentalism idea. Uh, I give you a book on scripts, a comedy cut and restored rope routine, my new professor's nightmare finale. I teach. I'm not going to sit here and go through every trick. It's going to take too long. But there's 71 videos and 10 ebooks. So let's go over the ebooks. The ebooks that are included are the Stars of Magic. You learn 40 professional routines from people like Vernon, Francis Carlisle, etc. Okay. Next, you're going to get the Encyclopedia of Card Tricks, which is one of the main uh, classic card books. You learn over 600 card tricks. You learn 44 spelling tricks in this book alone. You're going to learn magic with regular card magic, impromptu magic, gaffs, stripper decks, Bengali deck, on and on and on. Okay. Next, you're going to get the Encyclopedia of Rope Tricks. You're going to learn 150 rope tricks ebook. Then I give you my book, The Ambitious Card Book, which is incredible. So these are 10 magic ebooks. You're going to get the Linking Rings routine created by Jack Miller. It's a 5-ring routine. You're also going to get a lot of special ring moves taught in that book as well. As I mentioned, you get my Pro Magic Scripts and Jokes book, my Real Street Magic book, SpongeBall Miracles, which is a book by myself and my good friend Brian Smedley. Next, you're going to get The Royal Road to Card Magic by Gene Hugard, which is 100 card tricks, and then Scarny on Card Tricks, which is an ebook. You're going to learn 150 self-working card miracles in there. Okay. So now I'm going to talk about who Lou Lancaster was. Okay. Lou Lancaster was born on Halloween 1936, and he died on July 5th, 2008. His real name was Louis Lancaster McClung, and he was a master magician and an author. He performed at the Magic Castle 18 times in his life. He performed many multiple professional engagements and contracts throughout Las Vegas, Lake Tahoe, San Francisco, Sacramento, and um, his home of Catskills, New York, where he mentored Jeff McBride in magic, and he used to walk the streets of New York with a young David Copperfield. Okay, um, he also worked at the famous Magic Townhouse that was headed up by Dorothy Dietrich and Dick Brooks. He helped them assemble Dorothy Dietrich's straitjacket escape for the HBO special "The World's Greatest Escapes," in which she appeared as a special guest star. She holds the record for the highest stationary escape by a woman from a straitjacket hanging from a burning rope. She is quoted as saying, "I trusted my life with Lou Lancaster." I wanted to say about Lou Lancaster that he was had the very best card and coin manipulation skills that I've ever seen. Let me say that again. Lou Lancaster had the very best card and coin manipulation skills that I've ever seen. Okay, and so in 1984, he wrote a book called "Tricks of the Trade: A Professional Looks at Commercial Close-Up Magic." In this book, he imparted many of his top secrets, meaning his special routines that he had developed over the years. So in this product, you're going to get all of these incredible magic. You're going to get 71 instructional magic videos and 10 ebooks. So click on the link and get this now. Thank you very much.